Kuringana na ndumiriri iria tumirwo nyumba cia mohoro maugite ati metikirire kunina mugomo wao mari na mwihoko ati ni mekuhingirio mateta maria mari namo ari hamwe na kuongererwo mishara ona guthondekerwo weru metana maria mari namo.
Monday, June 2017, the nurses will not report on duty. The nurses are going to down their tools at midnight on Sunday.
Muigi kigina wa union ino ya manathi Agnes Maderu augite ni manogete ni cikaro iria maumirira macio ni ciraniro iria itacokaga guciara maciaro.
We are only resuming the strike. We are not restarting. We only suspended our strike on an agreement that we negotiate a c.b.a within 60 days, which ended in March 2nd. It is now 120 days plus.
Morite thirikari kwaga gukirira kiagago giki guku makiuga miturire ya Kenya iri na bata muno makiria gukira githurano na iturwa iria marethana nacio kwa ihinda riri.
Hapa hakuna mambo ya kuna kampeni ambayo inaendelea. Kampeni siendelee, huduma kwa Kenya iendelee kwa sababu ni lazima tuendelee kuhudumia Wakenya hata kama kuko na siasa.
Nurses miena ngurani bururi-ini ni mambiririe guthethukira gukinyanirio kwa uiguithanio wa kugacirithia wira wao utungata-ini wa ugima wa mwiri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Rosongwe.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity, the union makes us strong.